sugod naman sa nakapin, premiering now. Premiere si Margie TV. And after her premiere, don't forget to leave the comments in the comment section so that she can connect you back and support back as well. So all she have to do is to watch as well your video. Kaya importante ang bakas. Magbakas, kung mag-support kayo, magbakas kayo sa video niya para mabalikan ni Margie. Kahit nakadikit na yan, manood pa rin yan. Subuko na yan, guys. Kung ilan ang sinuport mo, yun din ang inano niya sa i-watch. Ganon. Ayan, maraming salamat sa 8 amazing people. Thank you so much. Ayan, pa-support naman sa nakapin. Margie TV premiering now. 1 hour and 28 minutes na po. So, it's about na mag-end ako. Sis Lilibit, dana sa lutong bahay mo, Sis Beth. Nag+1 kami sa iyo, Sis Beth. Lutong bahay. Malalaman mo doon, anong ginamit mo ni Sis Beth? Yung isa, support?
Kay Margie?
Oo, yun. Ang ginano mo kay Sis Beth. Pagkikita mo sa bakas, Sis Beth. Ayan, Sir Eric, thank you. Mga blessing to come, ma'am. God bless you always, ma'am. Thank you, Sir Eric. Monetize ka na, Eric? Monetize na si Eric. Ay, hindi ka
Sir Erickson?
Oo.
Kung naman idyo ko subscriber 1.3k.
Monica na sa mo?
Cloren.
Yun naman.
8.
Dami, 8. Yan mo sa kubitan nino.
Laba ko.
Oo, makatipid mo kain eh. Ang kloro, parang di manigikang ko nagkloro ang karang mga kuha, maurang bahua, no? Katipid ka pa, ano? Thank you.
Thank you.
Simple C.
Ayan, guys, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. I'm going to end na po. Eric, Monica na, Eric. Monica na. Maraming salamat po, Sis Beth. Thank you so much. Ano sa man?
Sa pag yun, watch ko sa itong isa ka, delete reachable.
Kinsa man?
Si Alex T.
Alex T? Small letter lang T. Alex space small letter T. Taga-Indonesia siya eh.
Delete siya ko reachable.
Ayan. Hino pa, full connected sis from Sis Lelebeth. Siya po ang aming admin, Sis Beth. Tuwing gabi andun kami, naka-stay. Support sa iyang live. Hino pa. Nasa ano yan? Nasa Korea. Korea yan. Kaya nakapangasawa siya ng Korean. So, nandun siya sa Korea ngayon.
+1 ta.
+1 Alex T. Sir Alex T, +1. Thank you guys. I think it's enough for this live stream for today. 1 hour and a half na po tayo. Thank you to all of you. I really appreciate it po talaga sa inyo mga suporta. Thank you for that time. For staying here. Ayan, Sir Dusty. Sir Dusty Country Garage. Thank you. Appreciate much. Sir Ioki. Sir Petras, ayan, sino pa? Si Sir Ignacio from Argentina, si Sir Petras from Hungary, si Forky, ang ating super chatter, napakabata pa, 20-year-old pa yan, ayan, hindi siya YouTuber, supporter po yan. Si 194, ayan, tapos na kami kay 194 no? Ayan, thank you guys sa inyo lahat. Ayan, Sis Eileen, Sis Merly Bobis, good morning, Sis Koy, mega love shoutout, Sir Justy, thank you ha. Thank you so much, I'm about to end na. Sis Merly, good morning. Happy Sunday or blessed Sunday. Ma'am Hinova, thank you Ma'am Hinova. Sis Seikay, Sis Joy, Sis Eileen. Ayan. To all of you here, thank you. Thank you so much for the time, for staying and my live stream. Thank you. Appreciate it much. Ayan. Blessed Sunday everyone and blessed evening, night sa inyo. Ayan. Sorry, late na. Okay lang Sis Merly, walaw. Okay lang yan. Ay, lista mo si Smiley ay. Ayan. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat po. Salamat sa mga nag-support kay Sis Margie TV Premiere. Thank you, Forky. Thank you, Good night, Forky. Thank you so much. What time is it there, Forky? Si Forky po ang ating super chatter, guys. He always, 3 times. Ayan. Thank you so much for sharing your blessing, Forky. Thank you. Say hi to your parents, Forky. Bye everyone. Good night and good morning Philippines. Good evening some other part of the world. Good evening guys and good night and sweet dreams. Sa matutulog na. It's early, 8:23 p.m. What country, Forky? I forgot. Good night everyone. Sa mga matutulog na ay si Sir Dusty. Good night mother, right? Ayan, thank you. Maraming salamat po talaga. Ayan, bye-bye.